This next one I wrote for my son when he was born. I actually bought this banjo when he was born because one thing that happens when you have a kid is you get stuck at home a lot. So I figured the best time to learn an instrument was then. So this is for him. It's called Advice for Baby Bird. Spread your wings, bird, fly from this nest, land yourself a job, try not to get arrested. Keep your eyes peeled, the sky isn't clear. It's full of telephone wires and bullets from rifles sent to bring you down. Fly side to side so they can lead you out. So they can lead you out. Up and at it early, so they say that's how you catch the worm. Sing your song to call her in. We all need someone we can love. Find yourself, you know you don't have long before they put you in the ground. In the ground. Spread your wings. Fly from the nest, land yourself a job, try not to get arrested.